What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're gonna do a quick TA on QNT. So QNT right now, on the day, it didn't really push up to RSI's neutral. The other the other cryptos I was analyzing did. Ethereum, BTC. So I believe RSI is gonna reach the neutral state from here, at least on the day, probably at 131. Let me go take a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on. Um, 131 looks to be that mark. So if you are short-term bullish, the targets that I'm looking at are 120, 125.27, 127.63, and then 131, at least on the bullish side. Now, let's talk about continuing that bullish scenario. So what I'm looking for in the total crypto market cap is 1.03 trillion. As long as we can maintain and hold above that, I definitely think that's going to play out that bullish scenario. We're not necessarily seeing that right now. And on the day, we could have a drop down and then maybe continue to push up. But the DXY right now is what we need to really be paying attention to. Because if you take a look at the 4 hour, it's completely oversold, and I think either we get choppy until this thing pushes up. Once this thing, I feel like it still has one more push up. That's my worry here. So if it continues to push up from here and goes to 106, then things are going to be bearish, and I'll play out that scenario on the day. If things continue dropping, oh, the market's definitely going to rally. So we'll have to see how things play out. That's what I'm looking for. Back to your bearish scenario. If you're bearish from here, pay attention to 122.85. That's going to be your major support. If that falls off the table, we're going down. So 119.45 and 117.51 would be your next targets. That's really all I got for QNT. Be sure to trade safe, trade smart. Peace.